Alright guys, this is how it came out. Look at that. Look at those beautiful bright colors after I cleaned it. It's a little damp right now because I'm letting it sit with some solution on the arms. But look. You can see that she came out clean. Look. It's just a little damp because I was scrubbing the arm that I showed you in the video. Let me go around so you can see the back. Look how clean it got. Showing you detail for detail, guys. Going around. Look. This is how you deep clean a sofa. I just did all this to show you. I gotta clean this part. I'm almost done. I'm just letting it sit, you see what I mean? To get the stain out. But look, looks brand new. Just with a little patience, a little TLC, you can make anything look wonderful. Especially your old sofa. With this product. This is your best friend, guys. It cleaned my sofa, well, my mom's sofa, you know. Like a dream, like a charm. It looks like it just came out of the store. It's still a little wet, so I just gotta let it dry with the sun. But I love the results. I love how it came out. Let me go back so you can see the whole sofa. Look at that. I love the style, you know what I mean? My dad bought this sofa for my mom for her birthday a couple years ago. This is a second-hand sofa. It wasn't brand new. But think about it, guys. Buying a second-hand sofa and cleaning it like this, you'll have it for years to come. Always look for the older pieces because they were made well. Don't get the modern stuff because it breaks down. And I mean literally, it will break down. But it came out so clean. If anyone has any questions, feel free to message me. Look at that. Look at that. Look how clean that is. I'm just like so amazed with this product. Look at that. You can see the beautiful red. Yep. And you can see that it's coming out. So, once again, thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel if you want more DIYs and more cleaning techniques. You guys, I'm outside, so there's a lot of noise. A lot of noise outside. But, like I said, with the cars and stuff. But, like I said, if you subscribe to my channel, you'll see more DIYs, more cleaning techniques, a lot of DIYs, a little bit of everything. So, subscribe, message me anytime. All right, bye everyone. And thank you for subscribing to my YouTube and my TikTok.